Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and sell photos on Pixieset. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course go to the website of Pixieset, which is pixieset.com. And at the moment I'm here in the photo editor because of course if you want to sell photos we had to first create them. So here you can go to your new projects and create photos, do whatever you want. You have AI styles, tutorials, settings here in the left side of the screen as you can see. But now, how to sell photos on Pixieset. So first of all, you need to go on your dashboard, you need to go to the store. So when we're on the dashboard, where we are at the moment, as you can see, so that's of course where you need to be. So it's accounts.pixieset.com/dashboard. You can see the link here. And you can go and click on your store. Now, click on the store. Now, when you click on the store, here, of course, you can go and set up your checkout and actually go and set up your projects to, of course, go and sell them. You have orders, customer, products, where you can, of course, click on products, add the pricing sheet, and here you can go and post your photos and everything of the product and start selling. You have some coupons here, shipping, taxes, and everything, so you can go through all of those things. But here in the store, you can actually go and sell photos on Pixieset, which is pretty cool. And a fast way to go and create on the same platform and then start selling on the same platform also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.